Application of differentiation 10.2 Rate of change. Let's do question 13. A container in the shape of a hollow cone of semi-vertical angle 30 degrees is held with its vertex pointing downward. Okay, so vertex pointing downward. Water is poured into the cone at the rate of 5 cm³ per second. Find the rate at which the depth of water in the cone is increasing when this depth is 10 cm. So this one, 5 cm³ per second here is referred to dV over dt. Because you have cube here, so it refers to volume. Next information that we can get from this question is, we want to find out what is the rate at which the depth of water in the cone. Okay, so this means we want to find out dH over dt. Depth is referred to height. So to find out our dH over dt, we need to use chain rule with the given information of dV over dt. So dV over dt we already know from our question, and dH here I just copy back here. So we left with dV here. So now our job is to find out what is our dH over dV. So to find out dH over dV, we need to use volume formula. Okay, so volume for the cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h. And before we want to differentiate V here, we need to make sure our V is in one variable only. To find out what is the relationship between R and H, let's sketch the cones. So we got this kind of cone with 30 degrees here. We can use trigonometric function, which is tangent 30 is equal to R over H, opposite over adjacent. And because we want to find out what is dH over dV, means our V must be in terms of H. So I would like to make R as our subject. So R equal to H tangent 30, and this is equal to H over sec 3. So here, H over sec 3, we can substitute into this equation, and then you got 1 over 3 pi with H over sec 3 square times with H, and we simplify this one, we got V equal to 1 over 9 pi H cube. And because we want to find out what is our dH over dV, so that means we need to differentiate V with respect to H. We differentiate V here, which is you can bring 3 in front, okay, then you can simplify with 1 over 9, then you will get 1 over 3 pi H square for our dV over dH. And we substitute this one into this equation, but because this one is dH over dV, so you need to write it as 3 over pi H square times with dV over dt we get from the question, which is 5. So you got 3 over pi H squared times 5. So dH over dt become 15 over pi H square. But this one is not our final answer, because the question wants us to find dH over dt when this depth is 10 cm. So mean H here you must substitute with 10 cm, then you will get the value of dH over dt, which is 3 over 20 pi centimeter per second. That's all.